First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So now let me move on to the basic level arrangement number 14. 9 friends P2, PQ, R, S, T, W, X, Y, Z are sitting in a circle facing the center but not necessarily in the same order. So it's a circular arrangement. Totally there are 9 persons and all the persons are facing the center, right? So let me draw the diagram initially. So 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 9 persons, right? So totally 9 persons and all the persons are facing the center. So point number 1. X is to the immediate right of R. So R right hand side, immediately X is sitting. So I can place R here and R left hand side will be this side and R right hand side will be this side. So R right hand side, immediately X is sitting. Second point, T is to the immediate right of P. So P right hand side, immediately T is sitting. But we have many possibles, right? If I fix P here, T should be placed here, or P here, T should be placed here. So let me take it as a small note that P immediate right hand side where T is sitting. Got it? Next point. So W is fifth to right of X. So X right hand side at the fifth place W is sitting. So we know that X is sitting here. So X right hand side will be this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So X right hand side at the fifth place the letter W is sitting. Okay. So next is only person is sitting between P and Q. So which means only one person is sitting between P and Q. Okay, but if only one person is sitting between P and Q, we already know that P right hand side is T, right? So either this should be placed or else like this, right? Friends, understood this clue how I wrote this? Because between P and Q, there is only one person sitting. So P right hand side can be Q or else P left hand side can be Q. But between P and Q, there should be gap of one person. And remember that P right hand side should be T. So never forget that point. Okay, so let me move on to the next point. Q is an immediate neighbor of T. Just listen here. Q is an immediate neighbor of T. And we already know that P right hand side is T. Now what they are saying, Q is an immediate neighbor of T. So definitely I should fix T here. Only then I can say P right hand side should be T and Q is an immediate neighbor of T. So finally we can say that this clue. So by using this 2 point, we fix that this clue will be the answer. Got it? But we are getting many possibles, right? If I fix P here, I can't. If I fix P here, not possible. If I fix P here, this could be Q or P here. Many possible. So let me move on to the next point. S is second to right of R. So R right hand side at a second place S is sitting. We already fixed R here. So R right hand side will be this side. So 1 and 2 this will be S. These are the persons are fixed, right? So R right hand side at a second place S is sitting. So next point, Y is an immediate neighbor of W. So W immediate neighbor is Y. So now what we can do is, we try to fix this clue because we know that between P and Q only one person is sitting, that is T. Only one chance that I should fix P here, because if P is facing center, P right hand side will be this side. So P right hand side T is sitting and we know that T is an immediate neighbor of Q. So definitely I should fix Q here. So according to the last point, Y is an immediate neighbor of W. So W immediate neighbor should be Y. Only one option that we have. So I should place Y here. So what is the letter remaining? P, Q, R, S, T. So P, Q, R, S, T, W, S. X, Y, Z is missing. So I should fix Z here. That's it. So this will be the answer for basic arrangement number 14. Understood? It's very easy. So just remember that these clues are most important. So after fixing this clue, try to fix in the arrangement, right? If you get many possible, go with another diagram or else stop in a single diagram. Understood? So finally, this will be the answer for basic level arrangement number 14.